A Downton Abbey Litter. Look at him. Six fat little beasts. 1 week old. Today we end the drawing for their name. January 12th for the airing of the second episode of Downton Abbey on PBS. As close as they could get to our little space heater here. Keep them nice and toasty. And 3 boys and 3 girls. Nice and quiet here in the nursery for them. No wonder she was so big. Some of her biggest kids she's ever had. She was very big in her pregnancy. You can see our 100% raw diet does breed some big kittens. Very healthy. She's very proud of them, aren't you, FeLine? Yeah. Pendraig Siberians. Be sure to subscribe and like, share us on Facebook. Drop us a comment if you got any questions about Siberian cats or raw diets for cats, or our breeding practices, or what we might have available. As of this recording, we got 2 available until the end of our drawing, which is on our blog. Link below. SiberianCatblog.pendraig.com. We are doing a naming poll where you can pick your favorite Downton Abbey characters and vote up to 9, because we thought we had a bigger litter than this. And write a comment if you're in the United States. You can enter to win the continental United States. Enter to win our cat toy giveaway. We're sending a little bag of cat toys approved by our cats and our 6-year-old son, Gabriel. Happy New Year. From FeLine and her little brood of kittens. And Pendraig Siberians. Thanks for watching.